Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question I get all the time. My money is just sitting in my bank account, doing nothing. How can I make it grow? It's a fantastic question because letting your money just sit there is like having a star player warming the bench for the whole game. You're losing out on its potential. The culprit? Inflation. That sneaky little thing that makes your money worth less over time. So, if your money isn't growing at least as fast as inflation, you're actually losing purchasing power.
But don't worry, we are going to change that. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 practical steps to turn your stagnant bank account into a money-growing machine, starting with the simplest strategies and moving up to more powerful ones. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the foundation, your emergency fund. This is non-negotiable. Before you even think about investing or complex strategies, you need a safety net. This is typically 3 to 6 months' worth of essential living expenses. And where should this money live? Not in your regular checking account where you might accidentally spend it. The best home for your emergency fund is a high-yield savings account. Think of it as a supercharged savings account. While a traditional savings account at a big bank might give you a tiny interest rate, like 0.01%, a high-yield savings account, usually offered by online banks, can offer rates significantly higher. We are talking 4% or even more sometimes. This means your emergency fund is not just sitting there. It's actively earning you money, safely, while staying accessible for when you truly need it. It is the perfect first step to making your money work for you without taking on any risk. Step 2 is to automate your savings. This is where you put your financial growth on autopilot. The concept is simple: pay yourself first. Before you pay bills, before you buy groceries, before you even think about that new gadget you want, a portion of your paycheck should go directly into your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your high-yield savings account for the day you get paid. It could be $50, $100, or whatever you can comfortably afford. The key is consistency. When the money is moved automatically, you learn to live without it. You're not relying on willpower or remembering to save. Over time, these small, consistent contributions add up to a significant amount, all growing with that sweet, high-yield interest. It's the most powerful and painless way to build wealth from the ground up. Okay, once your emergency fund is solid and your savings are on autopilot, it's time for step 3. Explore certificates of deposit, or CDS. A CD is like a savings account with a commitment. You agree to leave your money with the bank for a specific term. It could be 6 months, 1 year, 5 years, you name it. In exchange for that commitment, the bank gives you a higher, fixed interest rate than a regular savings account. This is a great option for money you know you won't need for a specific period. For example, if you're resaving for a down payment on a house, and you plan to buy in 2 years, putting that money in a 2-year CD can be a smart move. It protects the money from market ups and downs and guarantees you a certain return. Just be aware of the early withdrawal penalties. If you take your money out before the term is up, you'll pay a fee. So, only use CDS for goals with a firm timeline. Now we are moving into the investment world with step 4, robo-advisors. If the thought of picking individual stocks and bonds sounds intimidating, a robo-advisor is your new best friend. These are online platforms that use algorithms to build and manage a diversified investment portfolio for you. You start by answering a few questions about your financial goals, your timeline, and your comfort level with risk. Based on your answers, the robo-advisor automatically invests your money into a mix of low-cost exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. It handles all the complex stuff like rebalancing your portfolio and reinvesting your dividends. It's a fantastic, low-cost way to get started with investing without needing to be a financial expert. You can often start with a very small amount of money, making it accessible for beginners who want to grow their money faster than savings accounts allow. Step 5 is for those who want a bit more control but still want a simple, proven strategy: investing in index funds or ETFs. An index fund is a type of mutual fund that aims to mirror the performance of a specific market index, like the S&P 500, which represents the 500 largest companies in the US. Instead of trying to beat the market by picking winning stocks, you're essentially buying a small piece of the entire market. This approach provides instant diversification, which spreads out your risk. ETFs are very similar but trade like stocks on an exchange throughout the day. Both are typically low cost and have historically provided solid long-term returns. This is the strategy championed by legendary investors like Warren Buffett for the average person. It's a set-it-and-forget-it approach that lets you participate in the long-term growth of the economy. All right, Let us talk about the secret weapon for long-term wealth. Step 6 is to max out your retirement accounts. I'm talking about your 401k if your employer offers one, or an IRA, which stands for Individual Retirement Account. These accounts are pure magic because of their tax advantages. With a traditional 401k or IRA, your contributions can be tax deductible, meaning you pay less in taxes today, and your money grows tax deferred until you retire. If your employer offers a 401k match, you absolutely must contribute enough to get the full match. It's literally free money. Think of it as an instant 100% return on your investment. Ignoring this is like turning down a pay raise. For long-term growth, nothing beats the power of tax-advantaged compounding in a retirement account. Finally, Step 7 is all about education and review. The financial world is always changing. New products become available, interest rates fluctuate, and your own life goals will evolve. Make it a habit to review your financial plan at least once a year. Are your accounts performing as expected? Are your savings goals still relevant? Do you need to adjust your investment strategy? You don't need to become a Wall Street guru, but staying informed by reading financial news, listening to reputable podcasts, or watching channels like this one will empower you to make smarter decisions with your money. Continuous learning is the key to adapting and ensuring your money is always working as hard as it possibly can for you. So there you have it, 7 actionable steps to stop your money from just sitting there and start making it grow. We started with the basics like a high-yield savings account and automating your savings, moved on to low-risk options like CDS, and then explored the world of investing with robo-advisors, index funds, and powerful retirement accounts. Remember, the most important thing is to start. Even small steps taken today can lead to massive results down the road thanks to the power of compounding.
Pick 1 or 2 of these strategies that feel right for you and take action this week. You've got this. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content on how to manage your money and build a brighter financial future. Drop a comment below and let me know which step you're going to take first. See you in the next video.